this is a particular brand that we have kind of created for the sake of this demo. So again,
We are good at creating brands.
we are good at creating brand. That's true as well. So yeah, the screen that you are seeing is a hypothetical business scenario that we have taken to kind of showcase the demo of how customer experience platform in Salesforce would look like. This is Urban Mode, a particular brand that is into fashion and apparel industry itself only. This is their e-commerce storefront where they have this particular things. They have a offer going on as well. I am already logged in as a user, Martin. I will simply go ahead and try to buy a couple of products. Before I do that, I can also see, we have the information, these information about Martin itself only, the loyalty points he has, and his tier itself, and we have his order history as well, and all of that details. So I will quickly jump into it, and I will try to buy one product. Let's say I want to buy this leggings.
Do you really?
I have my wife, I need to buy it. So I am buying it right now. As you can see, the total order value is 99, but I'm not seeing the promotion that I kind of saw earlier. So what I will do is I will again check what was the promotion. Okay, so the promotion is if I buy over $100, then only I will get a discount. So I will quickly update it. So I have updated the account, and if I go over here, now I can see there is this discount which is applied, and I can go ahead and check it out. Check out my cart. So I will provide all the information. Martin 1230. I will go ahead. So the order is placed. So now the order is placed. Now this information will go into our loyalty platform, into our data platform, where we would be utilizing it for our marketing activities, where we will be utilizing it for other activities itself only. But just to showcase how the similar experience would look like from our, just a second, from our POS itself only. So I just purchased it. If I go and simply go ahead and check the transactions, whether this particular information is captured or not. So right now the page that you're seeing is a loyalty platform. As let me refresh the page so that it has the updated information. So this is our loyalty platform, and it is giving us these details about it, like this is Martinez, this is his membership ID, where he got enrolled, whether he's active or not, his enrollment date itself only. Then we have on what tier he is. He's on platinum tier. And then we have the points. He has 2,179 points. As you saw, 2,000 points he already had. And 178 point something points we got from this purchase. So we have now 2,179 points. Then we can see the promotions for which he is eligible, and the and here we can see the transaction journals itself only. I will go into the transaction journals. Then we have loyalty program member badge, which tells us we can give badges to our customers to kind of showcase them they are valued, and to utilize it in our marketing efforts itself only, we can utilize that. I will go into that just in a couple of moments. In transaction journal, we can see this is the recent order that we have received, 178.92 at 9:27. Yep, that's the right order that we have received over here. So we are capturing that. Now the journey is consistent because we are not only capturing it from the online store, but we are also capturing it from POS. So just to showcase how we can capture it from POS, I'm going to utilize this. All right, so this is a POS demo that we have created. So at the POS level, again, we would simply come in and we can simply go ahead and look for our customer, Martin. And let's say I want to buy a particular order. Let's say I just want to again buy one legging itself only. So I can simply go and I can simply purchase it. So the order is purchased and the data would flow in into here. Just a moment. Just give it a couple of moments, the data will be flowing in. Again, it's a it's a demo, and it's a, I would say, demo environment itself, and it's not the production environment. So data might flow in a couple of minutes later. But yeah, meanwhile the data is flowing. I will show you how the you know platform would look like. That this is loyalty platform, and this loyalty platform from Salesforce, we can do all of these things. Again, I will not go very deep into it. If you want to know what are the capabilities, what are the things that we can do with, please subscribe to our channel and go ahead and check out our webinar that we did on loyalty itself only. So yeah, we can run our promotions over here. We can manage games, so we can do gamifications as well, like spin the wheel, scratch card, do utilize quizzes itself only. So we can do all of that.
And we're the best team that Salesforce team itself recommends to get your loyalty management
That's true.
platform done. So don't look for here and there. You know exactly who's the best one to implement your loyalty management platform and implement your loyalty programs as well.
Definitely. Do reach out to us and we will help you out. We're helping a lot of brands across the world itself only. Then we have the capability where we can create promotions, manage games, manage vouchers, manage partners as well if we have, and various processes. So all of that is possible from within this particular platform itself only. And we can manage all of that in a seamless and connected way itself. And then we can create all of these things. Now, let's say we have the data from our POS, from our e-commerce website itself only. We have received the points. Now, we want to utilize the data that we have captured from our ERP platform, that we have captured from social listening, basically listening to what particular customer is saying, whether he is kind of saying something like I did not like the experience, or whether he is saying I like the experience, and he's sharing about all of those experiences. We want to capture all of that. We want to create a unified profile. We talked about it. We need to have a unified profile of our customer from across all the touch points. When I say all the touch points, that means all the touch points, not from the in store, it's not from the POS or brick and mortar store itself only, but e-commerce. Along with that, the social listening. Along with that, the feedback that they are giving. Along with that, the way they are interacting with our advertisement itself only. We need to capture all of that. We need to put in just single place and then utilize it. How do we do that? First of all, then comes the customer data platform. So this is the customer data platform. So I will go back to the dashboard just in a while. Give me a moment. So customer data platform, Salesforce call it a data cloud. And so basically Salesforce data cloud is a platform which allows us to kind of bring in data from all different sources in just single place, then unify all of that to create a 360 unified profile of a customer itself only. So we are bringing the data from loyalty itself only. We are bringing the data from social listening. We are bringing the data from Shopify itself only. And then we are creating a data model linking them, like how the sales data, how the loyalty data will fit into our customer data, how social listening data will fit into our customer data itself only. So this is the data that we have mapped. Again, if you want to understand how we did it and what are the capabilities of Data Cloud, please go ahead and check out our webinar on Data Cloud. You will get good information about it. So again, subscribe to our channel and check out our Data Cloud webinar as well. So this is how it would look like. I'm not going into the, I'm utilizing a easy way of representing it, how we are handling it. So this is what we are doing. We have created a unified profile where we have individual data is coming in from all of these places. Then we have loyalty data that we are bringing in, and in that we are bringing the loyalty information. Then we have loyalty tier, all of the information that we are bringing from here and there. Then what we do identity resolution so that we get a single profile of the customer itself only. Like this is the same person, Martin, who came to our store at this particular date, who came to our website at this particular time. This was the email ID he gave, this was the number he gave. So we are capturing all of that information and then unifying it so that we have a clear understanding. This is Martin. He has these two numbers. He has this email ID. He came to our store at this time. He came to our store at that time. And we are capturing all the information. Here we are unifying it. We have the rules. So basically we have 505 customers. So again, from the time of sake, we only created these many, but we are handling more than million, we are handling tens of millions of customers for our, for our clients itself only. So Data Cloud is able to do all of that. Again, do check out our webinar to get better understanding. So we have a unified profile. Now, once the profile is unified, what does that mean? It means that we will have a unified profile of the individual itself only. So if I have it open, I will simply go ahead and open it. Yeah, I think I have it open. So this is the same Martin. Okay, I will refresh it. But the data would be flowing in some time itself only. The latest purchase data. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me open it up again. I think there is some issue. Give me a moment. I couldn't remember this ID, so I have copy pasted it over here. So let me utilize that. All right, yeah. There was some issue at that time. So we have all of this information. We have his first name, last name, birth date, gender, unified profile. This is all the information that we are showcasing here. There are hundreds of fields that we are capturing, but we are only showcasing these fields here for the sake of this demo. But you can bring in all the type of fields that you want, and then you can showcase them over here. So we have all the order history, like he made this order, he made this order, he made this order, and we have his social activity as well, like the TikTok post and the Instagram post, like how did he kind of, react with it, interact with it. If he's kind of raising issues, we are capturing that as well. Then we have some level of our reports over here showcasing how he is doing in across all of our stores itself only. We have that data, then we can utilize it. This information is showing how much revenue we has kind of generated from it. And then we have the calculated insights. Again, just a second. Again, it's a demo environment, so sometime it happens. Yeah. So this is the calculated insights. Basically, calculated insights is capability where we have kind of utilized certain AI prediction models, certain algorithms to come to a place like how much spend he has done. So like this is not using AI, this is just simply calculations that we are doing. He has total spent this much in our stores. This is his average spending in our stores. These are the total loyalty points of this particular customer when we talk about in US dollar terminology itself only. That means these are not the points itself only, but the value of the points in US dollars. And then we have the online store revenue itself only. So we are capturing all of that information and we are going to utilize it. And we can utilize it in wherever the place is, however we want to utilize, we can do that. Now, if I come to over here, so we can create calculated insights like it, like online store revenue, spent analysis, loyalty points of customers. Again, all of this is configurable. Once we have the data, we can do all sort of things. So we can create calculated insights just by, drag and drop. And if you want to write some logics for it, you can do that as well. So both of the things are possible. Okay, my bad. Yeah, both of the things are possible. So we can do that. Let's say once you have done that, now what you want to do? You want to segment the customers. You want to create segments like, this particular customer is this one, this particular customer is this one. So let's say I have inactive customer segment, I have a store sales segment, birthday segment, celebration segment. So I can create segments that we want to create and we want to utilize. Then we can utilize it for our marketing efforts. So we want to, let's say, send out, we want to put our inactive customers in a journey where we are kind of reaching out to them via our marketing tool, which is Marketing Cloud in our scenario, where we are going to reach out to them by email, SMS, by ads as well. We are going to utilize that. So once we have the segment, we can activate it. When I activate it, meaning you can utilize the created segment and you can then send it across to the marketing tool to do actions on top of it. So we can do that. So these are the activations. So like we are activating it in Marketing Cloud, we can do that. And then we can link our ad studio as well from Marketing Cloud and then utilize it. That way we can run our journeys more effectively. Then we have our Marketing Cloud from Salesforce. So this is the Marketing Cloud. So Marketing Cloud is giving us all of these capabilities. I'm just showcasing you one of the capability like where we can define the journey. So this is the welcome journey. As soon as somebody purchases something or as soon as, in this scenario, it's welcome journey, it's not the purchase. So as soon as somebody signs up, we would be sending him an email. And then after waiting for one day, we will check if he has opened it or not. If he haven't, then we will send him another email. If he has opened it, then we will send him another email and then we will send him another email. So that way we can define what we want to do. On the first email, we said, hi, welcome to our brand itself only. And then let's say if he have opened it, we will be sending out to him. We have a special offer for our for our new customers itself only. You get free shipping for all of your orders. So we are sending him that email. Things like that we can schedule, we can link. Right now we are sending email, but it's not limited to that. We can send SMS as well. We can send mobile push notifications as well. We can send WhatsApp messages as well from here itself only. So all of that is possible. Again, it's point and click and drag and drop. I will not go into how we can do that, how Marketing Cloud can be utilized and all of that. For that, again, we have a webinar. Go ahead and check it out. Then, sorry. Then we can create various email templates according to our need, which can be personalized, hyper personalized itself only. So this is the personalized email template that we are utilizing and that we are sending out to our customers. So just to showcase, this is how the email would look like. And then with that, we talked about, data privacy and control over data. So customers want that. How do they handle that? So we have preference center from Marketing Cloud itself only. Again, you can create it from wherever you want and utilize it. So over here, I can simply say, don't reach out to me. I no longer wish to receive further publications from you. I can simply update it, and then I will be taken out from the publication list itself only. I would be taken out from the entire marketing journeys itself only. So all of that is possible from, Salesforce and Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Then the last piece that I wanted to kind of highlight is the Tableau piece. Now, you have all the data, you have all the customer touch points, you have captured everything from here and there. Now you want to put it into use. You are putting into use by Data Cloud, by creating segments, sending out marketing journeys, sending out campaigns and putting them into loyalty, sending them loyalty promotion, all of that. But you want to do more than that. How do you do it? You can create analytics dashboard to get clear visibility how well your brand is doing, how well it's performing. So similar to this scenario, just a second, let it load. Meanwhile, it's loading. I will open it over here. I think I have the dashboard open. I think I didn't have the dashboard open. Yeah, it's now open. So this is how one simple dashboard that we have tried to create to represent how a brand can benefit from it. Again, there are many, many possibilities. So this will kind of show them how the sales are performing across the states. They can simply go over here, over here we had these many orders from Jonesport. We have these many orders from California. We have these many orders. Then we can see the information at a store level. Then we can see the store sales, how each store is performing for us, how many members are in gold tier, platinum tier, silver tier. Then we can see order timings as well. At what typical time we get the most orders. So things like that we can also capture. If you are capturing all the data, if you are capturing everything, then you can put into use. Then you can see, okay, this is the peak time at which we get the most orders, and we need to work around that so that we have the most staff at that particular time present in our stores to help and guide our customers better. So that is something we can do. Then we have all of these kind of preferences as well, like what typical payment preferences customers have and product performance, and all of those dashboards we can create. Then we have AI. All of the tools that we talked about has AI into it. I am just showcasing AI in analytics because customers love to see AI in analytics itself only because they don't want to go to their data guy and say, can you please do this? Can you please create this? They want I should be able to do that. I want to know what's happening in my business. So I'm just showcasing that. But all the tools that we talked about, the Marketing Cloud, the loyalty, the data, have AI built into it. So you don't have to do from scratch itself only. You can simply use AI. For Marketing Cloud, you can use AI to write email content. You can ask it to write email subject lines itself only for you. In loyalty, you can utilize it to kind of, get this information, get that. I think I will be showing you some of the loyalty piece in that. So all of that is possible. So let's say I'm over here. This is the revenue, let's say analytics that we have captured. So I can see, okay, this is where we are at. We are at the sales of 20K and our goal was 21K, but we haven't reached that. According to the AI, by 29th, we would be kind of reaching over here. So we have that clarity. And then the AI itself is allowing us to kind of ask questions. So it is giving us some of the things like say which category had the high revenue. So if I click on it, it will simply show, okay, women's wear had the most revenue, probably from all the testing that we have been doing. So yeah, we can see that. Again, we can now ask any type of questions. If I want to, so if I want to see, which store had the most sales, I can ask that and it will go and fetch that information for me. So all of that is possible. Meanwhile, it's work. It will take some time because it's a demo environment again. So yeah, meanwhile it will work. So I can go in and ask like, can you please give me a breakdown for this revenue itself only? It is giving me that breakdown. So coincidentally, the breakdown it is giving and that the question that I asked was same. But yeah, here we can see how the breakdown is by brand. So like Prada is giving us the most revenue, and then Urban Threads and Levi's and all of that. So we are capturing all of that. Lastly, this is how you can create your own analytics just by the help of AI. If you can remove me from the screen so that I can show the viewers how it will look. Uh, Thanks. So yeah, this is Tableau agent. So Tableau agent, we can simply say like, I want to do this and that. So it will give me some suggestions out of the box. So you can see the suggestions over here. Let's say I want to utilize that, and it will generate the dashboard for me accordingly, all on its own, just by understanding the metadata, just by understanding the data itself only. I don't have to go here and there and do this and that. It will generate it for me right from there. As you can see, I can provide my query as well, or right now I just simply rely to the query that they provided. So yeah, see, it has given me like bomber jacket has the most sales, and the bomber jacket has the most quantity sold in purchases. So we have that clarity. So we can utilize things like that. And then lastly, I think I would be showing you, yeah, I think for the time's sake, I will not be asking it again, but you can use Agent Force as well to ask questions like, let's say I am feeling a bit overwhelmed and I have a customer that has come to me and saying, can you please help me out? I'm facing this issue. I will simply open up Agent Force and I will ask, can you please tell me about a customer, Martin Martinez? It will give me all the information. Like, this is Martin Martinez, this is the annual revenue that we have, this is the billing address, these are the details. And then let's say I want to see his order details. I will simply ask, can you please give me the order details? And then it will give me the order details, entire order details of it. And then I can utilize it however I want to. So again, all of that is possible and we can configure it. So with the help of these platforms, with the help of AI, we can do much more and we can provide what we have been talking about, which is the hyper personalization, consistency across all customer journeys, and the access to the customer so that they can control the how you are utilizing their data, how you communicate with them. So all of that is possible with the CXP platform offerings from Salesforce. So yeah, this is the brief demo that I wanted to kind of give you guys.
This was a detailed one.
Yeah, I still feel it's a brief one, but you can, if you want some more
For
details.
you, a 3-hour demo is also a brief one.
Yeah, that is true. Sorry about that. But if you guys need more details, if you guys have some questions, do reach out to us. Do reach out to me. I will definitely help you out and put things in perspective if you have any questions.
All right. So all what he talked about in all of his demo was how you can do the hyper personalization with the help of Salesforce CXP platform. Second, how you can create a consistent experience across all touch points and all experiences that across all touch points for your customers. And the third thing is the data privacy and compliances that you can follow and that you can take care of with the CXP platform. For all of these three things, there's if you go towards a customization or custom platform or custom solution, probably it'll take you years to implement one, and whether that's going to even after that, whether that's going to serve you the purpose that you're like that you want to use it for is going to be a guess. But in this or in here, you just get started with it from day zero and day one, and that's exactly what gives you the competitive edge, and also the reliance and the trust that comes along with Salesforce as a platform and its suite of products, as it's is going to be a great offering overall that's going to help you all do all of that is going to help you increase your customer experience overall to a greater extent, that is exactly what is expected by your customer.